Hello all, this is Nikum and I hope you are excited and fully ready to listen the complete strategy for FCAT exam 2020. So basically in this video we will discuss all the things related to your exam date, your previous year paper important, and also we will overview your syllabus which is for FCAT and EKT. Okay, and also few things are there which are very important for you if you are preparing for this exam seriously. So let's start guidance selection discussion for FCAT 2020. So basically, first thing is your exam date. So for now, it is scheduled on 19 and 20 September. But as you know, because of Corona thing, I don't think they will conduct the exam because the number of applicants are more for FCAT also. So it is difficult to conduct this exam. So you can expect this exam in October to November. Okay, October to November, you can expect this exam. But for now, just consider 19 September as your target date. Okay, what is target date? Till this date you have to complete all the syllabus with revision. So this is your target date. If you consider this, then only it happen. Okay, so just consider this as a target date. Your work is to complete your syllabus along with all the practice and all the revision. Okay, so 19 September is the target date. Now the syllabus I have divided, okay, by subject wise. So basically we will discuss first subject for you which is very important for your exam, that is your maths. So in maths, the first chapter you will face decimal fraction. Okay, so basically this is nothing but your simplification. This is nothing but your simplification, in which you will learn how to calculate the things. Okay, how you calculate the fraction, your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division methods, tricks. Okay, all the things you have to learn here. So this is very important chapter because this chapter improves your calculation. Okay, so just remember this. So because of this chapter is very important for you. Okay, so that your calculation will get improved, and obviously your speed will get improved. Second chapter is your time and work, which is most important chapter for you. I just analyzed the previous year paper. Okay, and based on that, time and work is the most important chapter for you. So just do whole time and work. Okay, then third chapter, which is very important for you, that is your average. Okay, just basic. For average, just use basic. Don't go for high examples. Just you should know what is the definition of average. Okay, that is your summation of give all the numbers upon total numbers. Okay, so this definition you should apply in all the examples of average. This is very easy chapter. Your fourth chapter is your profit and loss, which is very important for you, and you can expect 3 to 4 questions from this chapter. Okay, 3 to 4 questions from this chapter because this is very important for you also. So again, what is basic profit and loss? Okay, what is basic profit and loss? And obviously here discount is also there. Discount. So profit loss discount, basic sums you have to do. Okay, there are many types in that, but just pay little attention here because this is very important. Okay, next chapter is your percentage, which is very important for you because in percentage, okay, see, lots of this time and work, this profit loss and other chapter have the application of percentage. Okay, so if you master the percentage chapter, then you can apply this percentage in profit and loss in time and work also. Okay, so based on percentage only you can calculate the other things. Okay, so percentage is very important basic chapter for you. Then you have second chapter, that is basic and important for you, that is your ratio. Okay, these two chapters are very important because application of these two chapters are in all the things, okay, that you may face. So again, ratio and proportion is very important. Then you have simple interest and time and distance. Okay, so basically in simple interest just one formula is there and that's it. The chapter ends here with this formula, that is your principal rate into times. Okay, so just you learn the application of this, and also in simple interest do that installation part also. Okay, so with this formula just solve 1 to 2 questions of installation. Okay, so this is very important. Again, next is your time and distance, very important, and just only one formula is there, that is speed is equals to distance upon time. Okay, so relation between all these things you should know, and also average speed concept, which is very important, and famous question. Okay, average speed concept, that is your famous question. So you may expect from this. Or our next is your train, boat, and streams. Okay, so trains you have, if train one started from one destination and train two started from one place, then at how much time they will meet each other, or train A, how much time it will take for train A to reach this place. Okay, so like this you will face the questions, basic questions from trains. And for boat and streams also the questions are there. Okay, that is upstream and downstream. So just take a look at it. Reference. Now see, these 8 chapters are very important for your effect. Very important. Just note it down. And now the reference, that is the books I will suggest you to study. Okay, that is your first thing. You should have SSC MTS previous year papers. Okay, SSC MTS is the exam, and you should have that previous year papers. There are many papers for SSC MTS. Okay, around 50 to 60 papers are there. Just refer the paper. Okay, and the chapter wise thing is there. So means, for example, if for time and work, if you are referring paper, okay, then all the questions asked in SSC MTS till the year you will get. Okay, so chapter wise, prefer chapter wise book, chapter wise previous year book of SSC MTS papers. And also for backup, now see, this is very important. SSC MTS paper is very important. But along with that, as a backup, or you can say to improve your preparation, just you can refer also SSC CHSL previous year paper. Okay, so both these books you should have, and all these books should have chapter wise. Okay, so this is important. So this is the syllabus for maths which you have. Okay, all the important chapters are there. Second is your reasoning. Okay, in reasoning you have verbal and special reasoning, and for this you just refer one book, that is your RS Agrawal, verbal and non-verbal. All these things are there. Okay, all the index in which the chapters are mentioned, just go one by one. That is first chapter, second chapter. Okay, just like that complete the chapters for all the chapters which are here. Okay, for reasoning, so reasoning is basically easy. Okay, so in very less time you will cover the things, so there is no issue in the reasoning. Third most important issue student may face here, that is your GK and GA. Okay, so basically first we will see what it will comprise. So it has history, geography, economics, polity, current affairs of 12 months, science, environment. Okay, now see these things. Okay, for these things you have book. Okay, because obviously this is static things, these are static things, means these are fixed, these are not changed. Okay, these are static things. And this is your dynamic thing, means every day you have different current affairs, or every day you have different news. Okay, so you have to cover that. So first cover the statics thing from this book, that is a lucent book is there. Okay, that's enough for this history, geography, economy, polity, science and environment. Just purchase this lucent book. Okay, so you will get the things. And for current affair, what you have to do, first thing, on Telegram channel. Okay, on Telegram channel our team is providing all the current affairs, daily current affairs, that are also important current affairs, not any garbage current affairs. Okay, that you wasted time of 1.5 hours like that for that. Okay, so main focus is that in 5 to 6 minutes you should cover important current affair of a day. So just join the Telegram channel, that is your @apna government job, @apna government job, just join it. Okay, then mind training sessions are there, in which I cover the questions from important questions from this history, geography, economics, polity, and also I add the current affair. Okay, of 12 months also. So refer that. That session will again resume shortly. Okay. So till now in the playlist, I guess there are 10 videos. So just refer the 10 videos in, and each 10 video have 20 questions. Means 200 questions are there, right? So just refer this for current affair. Don't go for anything extra. Don't spend your the 1.5 hours or 2 hours for this current affair, guys. Okay, because see, this is the most unpredictable part, and you should not waste your time, because all the students are wasting time here. Okay, so you should be smart and just focus on this resources which I am giving you. Okay, that is your mind training session and Telegram channel for current affairs. Okay, Okay, now next is your English syllabus. So first we will take a look at what you have. Basically you have comparison, error detection, sentence completion and filling in the correct words, synonym, antonym, testing of vocab and idiom and phrases. And references your YouTube. You can refer any channel that is teaching this English part. Okay, see, for this you have one book, that is your Made Easy book, but for you guys it will be very high level, so that's why I'm not recommending this. Recommending this book. Instead of that, I am recommending your Kiran previous year book for English. Okay, so one book is there, that is your Kiran previous year English book, so you can refer that for questions and just focus more on error detection and your sentence completion part. Okay, this part is highly weightage part. Then third important, if you want to give priority, then is your compression. Okay, then this synonym, antonym, all the things are there, but obviously these are also unpredictable, so just you can read the synonym, antonym from newspaper also. Okay, and vocab, you can develop your vocab accordingly. Okay, so you can do for English like this. Okay, now the important thing is EKT. Okay, so this is the generalized EKT format, and if you want branch wise EKT, then just comment down. Okay, I will try to make the video branch wise. So this is the generalized thing. See, first for EKT, what is important? You have to refer diploma books. Okay, the subjects which are in there, your second semester and third semester. Okay, second semester and third semester. So start reading the subject, basic subjects. Okay, start with basic subject and go with application part. So basically refer diploma books. Just you have to focus on basic question. Okay, there are very basic questions, no need to go for any advanced question. For example, if there is Ohm's law, if there is Ohm's law, that is your voltage is equals to current into resistance. Okay, so basically what they will ask you, voltage is dependent on current or not. Okay, if you increase the current, then what will be happen to resistance? Obviously it will be decreased because it is inversely proportional. So such type of questions are there, so just don't focus on advanced things for EKT. Okay, so just basic question, formula based question, definition based question. Okay, directly they will ask you the direct definition. So just you should make sure you will read all the definitions carefully and you will remember that definition according to the concepts. Then for question practice, you should refer the SSC JE papers. Okay, in this SSC JE also, there just refer basic questions, not no need to, there are some advanced questions. Okay, for example, suppose 95% questions are basic, then 5% will be advanced questions. So don't lose the motivation when you face such questions. Okay, so this is very important. So for EKT this is enough, and if you want branch wise, again I am telling, just comment down below your branch, and if there are many requests, then I will definitely make the video on it. Okay, second thing, your motivation and final words for FCAT 2020. See, basically we have to secure this job, right? So for that you should start now. If you didn't start yet, start now. After watching this video, just start your preparation, all the things, okay, which I am telling you, just start the things. Second thing, for FCAT, your not only your study is important, but also your fitness is also important. As you know, after that fitness test or medical test is there, right? So basically, study plus fitness, you should focus on both the things. Many students, I am telling you, many students only focus on study and they just get out in medical exam. Okay, so that's why it is very important to focus on both the things. So just you can devote 1 hour for your exercise, and obviously after that you can study the things. Okay, second thing, you should stay away from distractions. Many distractions are there. There are YouTube channels, there are Telegram channels. Okay, lots of things are there. There are WhatsApp groups, lots of things are there. And basically these things are nothing but distraction, because all the people there, okay, which are not serious for the exam, will discuss the ridiculous thing and you will distract for sure. Okay, so just choose the things wisely. Okay, I am again telling, just choose the things wisely, because there are lots of things now, as all the things are online now, but it is a disadvantage, it is a big disadvantage actually. Okay, so just be careful here. So you have to stay away from distractions and just stay focused on your journey. All the plan I gave you, just follow that. Okay, you should not wandering here and there for other plans. So just follow the plan very dedicatedly and have a learning attitude. Basically, see, it is not the exam for that you should means you should test the thing and you should remember the things. Just learn them, okay, understood them why it is so. So just with this attitude, if you learn, then obviously you will get better marks in your exam. And just make sure this 1 month of your life should be super great, okay. Just you will remember this month throughout your journey, throughout your life, and you will tell your friends and also that you work very hard for the exam and finally you got that, right? Okay, now in the description what I have for you, first thing, WhatsApp group link. Now this is not regular WhatsApp group, as you know, this is only have serious candidates who are preparing for the exam, okay. There is no disturbance. I myself closely monitor the things, okay. And obviously this is dedicated group, so you can join this group. You should have faith on this group, okay. Then GKJ playlist, as I mentioned, you have your mind training session and question based on analysis. All the playlists I will put into description link, and also previous year papers, okay, for reference, for your reference. So you should know what exactly the FCAT paper comprise of, okay. And also here on additional Telegram link I will give you. Just join that channel for channel for job updates or for your current affairs, which is very important for you, okay. So just join that. And in last, just make sure all the things you follow, okay, very dedicatedly. If you like my hard work, just press the like button, okay. If you are new to your channel, then you can subscribe to my channel for getting the next update. And just you have any doubt, okay, small or medium or big, any doubt, just comment down below. I will address them shortly, okay. I will try to address as soon as possible. And okay, any suggestion if you have for me, then also you are welcome, okay. All the best.